Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best free photo editor is Gimp, a powerful and feature-packed open-source program that's the closest thing you'll get to a free version of Photoshop. It offers more tools than some paid-for photo editors, supports layers, masks and plugins, and even lets you work with Photoshop PSD documents.
Take our lead.
Photoshop is a paid-for image editing program, but you can download a free Photoshop in trial form for both Windows and macOS from Adobe. With a Photoshop free trial, you get 7 days to use the full version of the software, at absolutely no cost, which gives you access to all the latest features and updates.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Although Adobe previously offered a completely free version of CS2, Creative Suites 2, it no longer offers the suite for free. Now, the only version available for free is the 7-day free Photoshop trial.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Yes, some professionals use Gimp as an alternative of Photoshop. Being an open-source software, it doesn't let you pay for it. But any professional would use more than one software for editing. Gimp is very nice and quite powerful, but if you compare Gimp with Photoshop, Gimp is not on the same level.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.